Hey guys, it's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody out there doing today? I hope you're having a great and wonderful day. I'm here on behalf of Copy Paste Ad System and SMS phone leads. Just want to show you guys how you can use the Copy Paste Ad System. You can use SMS phone leads to send a text to your link for copy paste ads. Okay, I've already sent my text for today, but I'm just going to show you where you actually going to place the ad when you go to SMS phone leads. Okay, so anyway, you're here because you're looking for a way to make some money online, so go ahead and make sure you subscribe to my channel. Go ahead and click the notification bell so you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. Okay, because I am a full-time affiliate marketer, and I show you different home-based business opportunities in ways you can make money online, okay, simply by referring a product or service, okay, and we in turn receive a commission, okay. That's affiliate marketing. I don't have to recruit and build teams and things of that nature, okay. It's basically receiving commission at the point of sale. So you sell a product, you get paid instantly, okay, and you're going to be paid directly from the person that purchased your product. Okay, so copy paste ad system is just what it says. It's copy paste ad system. Okay, what you're going to do is basically copy and paste pre-written ads that have been proven to work already. Okay, these have already worked. People are using them and getting paid $100 commissions over and over and over and over. Okay, so I'm in the back office right now. This little program is only $149 one time. Okay, there's no monthly fees with it. There's no pass ups. It's 100% commission. Every time you receive a sale, you get paid instantly $100. Can't get any simpler than that. Okay, there's various capture pages back here. Okay, I'm going to put the link below for this so you can go in through my funnel and check it out for yourself. But I just wanted to show you real quick the SMS phone leads, and you can just send a text message. Of course, you're going to do your ads. This is just another option, or you can do both. Okay, in my opinion, the more exposure, the better. I do both. Okay, because it's so simple just to send a text message once a day, and you still can have your ads running or place ads every day. Okay. So let's go over to SMS phone leads real quick. Let's see. This system is only $20 for the SMS phone leads one time. $20. If you want the blaster, okay, the blaster is $33 a month. Okay, let me pull up my little notes here. Okay, you want the blaster, guys. That's how you're able to send 200 messages a day. So it's $20, and it's optional for this $10 funnel. I highly recommend it because it's more training. Okay, you can never get enough training. Okay, so it's $10 optional. So it's $20 plus the optional $10 if you want it. And if you want the blaster to be able to send 200 text messages a day, you upgrade. It's $33 a month, which means you're going to send 200 text messages a day. If it's a 30-day month, that's 6,000 text messages, okay, a month to mobile leads. Okay, takes 200 credits to send one message to 200 mobile leads. They're very reasonable. Okay, so all you're going to do then from there on is get your pick a package of credits right here, and I made a note of it. You can get this system at mobilemoney.ws. Okay, so it's $20 plus the $33 for the blaster. That's $53 to get started today. And you decide which one of these packages you want, whether it's the $12 package, the $36 package, or the $60 package. Remember, it's 200 credits to send one message. So if you get the $12 package, that gives you only 4 days. If you get the $36 package, that gives you 15 days. If you get the $60 package, that gives you 30 days. Okay? So you decide which one of these you want and get this system. Doesn't matter what business you're promoting, you can use this system. It is a tool. Okay? But I'm showing you today how you can use it with copy paste ad systems. Okay? So real quick though, there was a training on Wednesday, guys. If you missed it, it was recorded and put in your back office. So you go to training, go to set up my SMS system, and you come all the way down here And look at all these trainings we have in here. For 20 bucks, you cannot beat this. So you come all the way down. Okay, right here, this is the new training that was just added from Wednesday's call. Okay, new training on all things mobile SMS and RVM, which is ringless voicemail. Okay, so go check that out and listen to it. Listen to all these. You're getting tips. He's giving you tips on how to work this business to make it work to promote your business, whatever your business is. Okay, all right, so SMS phone leads. All right, so what you're going to do is you're going to go to SMS, go to System Specs, and you go right here and you click Built-in Blaster. It's not going to work for me because I've already sent my message for today. See, it's telling me you can only send one a day, but I'm just showing you how to do it. So you'll go right here and you click Built-in Blaster, and a box will appear. And in that box, you simply just type your message and hit send, and it's done. Okay, so you definitely can use this system to promote copy-paste ads system. Okay, it just makes sense because that's more exposure. Think about it. You have your ads out there running. Then you come over here every day and you type one message, right? You type one message and then, you know, it's going to 200 mobile leads a day. Okay, so that's more exposure, guys. And if you do that every day, for 30 days, you just send out 6,000 text messages. Okay, so the goal is to get leads and eyeballs looking at your offer. That's what you need to be thinking, not about, well, how many sales am I going to get if I do that? Okay, don't think that way. What you need to think is, I need to get people looking at my offer. Okay, how do I do that? And that's by sending text messages. That's by placing these ads that we give you, okay, in different places. Then the more ads you have out here, the better as well, okay? And remember, ads are really expensive. I mean, really low cost. I found a place where you can place ads for $4. You can even place ads on Craigslist for $5. So they can range anywhere from $5 to $55 on Craigslist, okay? That's very reasonable for the return on your investment you're going to get, because remember, you're going to make $100 on every sale, okay? That just makes sense. And just by placing ads, okay, you can earn a nice income. Not making any income guarantees. I'm just telling you that the potential is very high to be able to do something so simple. Send a text message, place an ad. Send a text message, place an ad, send an email. Simple, okay? So with that being said, I want you to click the link below. I'm going to put the link below for copy-paste ads. I'm going to put the link below for SMS phone leads. If you want to send more than 200 text messages a day, I'm going to put the SMS lead network below as well. And go ahead and check out copy-paste ads. Get started. It's only $149 one time. No monthly fees. And you're going to make $100 over and over and over. And this is instant pay. Okay, and then you can use these numbers, these messages, okay, back here that they've added. I've already have mine set up. Pick a message, link it to your phone number, place an ad, put your phone number there, and people will leave you a message with their name and email, okay, and you can just send them the information that way. Real simple process to do this, okay? So with that being said, that's all I've got for you today. I was going to show you some income. I can show you, but it's not accurate. I looked at it back here and I was like, something's off. I've already sent them an email about it. I'm not sure what it is, but it's not showing my commission accurately. I've made way more than this. But as you can see, I am making money with this program. So I know what I'm doing, and I can show you how to do it as well. And I've got a good bonus for you too. So give me a call after you've looked at the video for copy-paste ad system. You can also sign up with me in SMS phone leads, but I've got a bonus for you when you join me in copy-paste ad systems, okay? All right, guys, go ahead and subscribe to the channel, like the video, and click the notification bell, okay, so you can be notified when I upload new videos. And I'll see you guys on the next video. You guys have a blessed day.